Hey guys, what's up? I am here with great news that OnePlus 9 series will coming soon, so watch video till last. Guys, as we know, after launching the OnePlus 8 in April and the OnePlus 8T in October, there's already buzz about the next OnePlus flagship, set to be the company's flag bearer. In 2021, the OnePlus 9 has some big shoes to fill. All signs point to an earlier than expected launch for the flagship. Ahead of the official reveal, we've gathered up all the credible rumors and early leaks relating to the OnePlus 9. According to a report in October, the OnePlus 9 release date could hit in mid-March. That would be around a month earlier than the OnePlus 8's April 14 debut. It's a play that could be adopted by Samsung in 2021 too, based on early Galaxy S30 rumors. As per design, it's unclear if there'll be a OnePlus 9 Pro variant, but XDA believes it'll make an appearance based on code uncovered in an Oxygen OS 11 beta build. The code also hints at Verizon and T-Mobile models. OnePlus sowed doubt when it dropped the Pro model from the 8T series, so it's not out of the question that this trend could continue with the firm's forthcoming flagship line. Higher storage options, at least for OnePlus 9 Pro. There hasn't been a OnePlus phone ever with more than 256 GB of internal storage. There also hasn't been a OnePlus phone with expandable storage, with the sole exception of the OnePlus X. It is time for there to be an option for a 512 GB variant of a OnePlus phone. The OnePlus 9 Pro would be the perfect candidate for this. It could help justify its inevitably higher price when compared to the vanilla model. It would make fans happy and also entice people who pass over OnePlus phones because they need more storage space. As per specifications, OnePlus employed 6.55-inch displays on both 2020 range toppers, so we wouldn't be too surprised if that size trend continues. OnePlus 9 model to rival the iPhone 12 mini, but there's little evidence such a device is in the works. The OnePlus 8T also introduced 120Hz refresh rates into the mix, which we also expect to feature on the OnePlus 9 series. As for internals, it's usually a case of iterative upgrades, so expect the Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 to power the flagship line, mated to at least 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Lastly, if OnePlus goes for a larger display and larger body, we could see a bulkier battery than the OnePlus 8T's 4500 mAh. Speaking of charging, we expect 65W warp charge to feature too. So these is for today's. Hope you like video, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in next video. Have a great day.